Everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, SHIB price breaks out of bearish chart pattern, posting 24H gains. The popular meme token, Shiba Inu, has risen slightly in the last 24 hours. Shiba Inu family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth Shiba. Please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. I used special indicators in the chart for you. You will get 90% accurate results. Watch the video till the end without skipping. SHIB has broken out of a classic bearish chart pattern called a descending triangle. The RSI is also above the RSI SMA line, which signals that SHIB has turned slightly bullish on the 3-hour timeframe. The popular meme token, Shiba Inu, has risen slightly in the last 24 hours to 1181, according to CoinMarketCap. SHIB's price is still down in the last 7 days, however, dropping by around 3.79%. The 24-hour price movement of SHIB may be a temporary break in pattern from the trend seen over the last week for the meme token. SHIB's price has also strengthened against Bitcoin and Ethereum in the last 24 hours by around 1.28% and 1.71% respectively at the time of writing, 10:45 Greenwich Mean Time +2. Currently, ranked number 16 on CoinMarketCap's list of the largest cryptocurrency projects by market cap, SHIB's market cap currently stands at $6.4 billion. The daily trading volume of SHIB has fallen slightly in the last day with a 6.42% decrease, and the 24-hour trading volume totaling around $273 million, while another 60% drop in SHIB price is inevitable. Shiba Inu price sees investor interest fading as price consolidates far away from 1708. SHIB price drifts further to the downside as pressure builds for a new low for 2022. Expect to see a correction back to 507, saying goodbye to 1000. Shiba Inu price is too far gone from the significant pivotal level of 1708 to make a strong comeback for now. Expect to see price action consolidate around current levels, slightly above 1000, before another round of tail risks will come back to bite price action and trigger another drop in value. SHIB price looks set to slip below 1000, trigger a trust crisis amongst investors, and finally settle at 507, losing another 60%. SHIB price set to trigger a confidence vote amongst investors. Shiba Inu price is not really falling on the right side of the trade these past few weeks, as SHIB is set to close out the week with a 5th consecutive loss. By doing so, investors and traders must start to be fed up with the almost puberal mood swings the cryptocurrency is having and being an outlier when cryptocurrency markets are rallying, and SHIB price being one of the few that is bleeding at that exact moment. Expect to see more outflow of capital funds, making the price action less supportive and possibly triggering a falling knife soon. SHIB price still has the 1000 big figure in its corner, backing price action to consolidate above for now. But the backpack of geopolitical issues and tail risks is growing by the day as more unresolved issues are putting too many question marks around the secured path forward. Expect with that uncertainty and the sometimes unpredictable price moves in SHIB, investors start to lose confidence and could trigger at least another test at the 10,000 psychological level. Should that level be breached again, expect to see SHIB price axed in half towards 507 as investors will be fed up with carrying the loss on their investments and look the other way. One element that could ease the weight of the bearish backpack is when those tail risks can be deflated. That would come with some dovish comments from the Fed or BOE, or if the Ukraine news flows fades further to the background as the situation on the ground stabilizes. That could trigger a quick turnaround with SHIB price back to 1500, and bulls pressing against the red descending trendline to create a breakthrough on the descending trendline and touch 1708 before trying to rally towards 2100 and testing the 55-day simple moving average as price cap to the upside. SHIB has broken out of a classic bearish chart pattern called a descending triangle. Following the breakout of the pattern, the price of SHIB posted a slight gain over the last 24 hours. It is still not confirmed whether or not SHIB will continue its move upwards. It does, however, seem that it will not be going down in the next few hours when looking at the 4-hour chart. The RSI is also above the RSI SMA line, which signals that SHIB has turned slightly bullish on the short-term timeframe. Another factor to keep in mind is that the SHIB community is still burning tokens. Should the token burning continue, and the trading activity remain somewhat flat, then we could see SHIB gradually rise. Shiba Inu's own version of the metaverse needs to be a hit. The metaverse is viewed as the next iteration of the internet, which will allow connected users to interact with each other and their surroundings in 3D virtual worlds. Developers recently announced their intention to sell digital plots of land, known as Shiba lands, in Shiba Inu's own version of the metaverse. Once again, this is all dependent on slashing transaction fees. Finally, there would need to be some significant coin burn. When Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin sent more than 410 trillion SHIB to a dead blockchain address, it removed approximately 41% of Shiba Inu's circulating supply. Large chunks of coins will need to be taken out of circulation over the next 4 years to really give SHIB some upward momentum. Being sent to the doghouse is more likely than $1 by 2025. If the cryptocurrency space has demonstrated anything, it's that nothing is impossible. But the chance of Shiba Inu hitting $1 by 2025 is so microscopically small in my view that I'd call it virtually impossible. For starters, a $1 target on SHIB would produce a laughably high market value of $549 trillion, based on Shiba Inu's roughly 549 trillion outstanding tokens. That would be equivalent to 203 times the market value of Apple, a company that produced $112.2 billion in operating income over the trailing 12 months. It would also be a valuation of close to 6 times global gross domestic product. Not even in the wildest of wild scenarios can I see a digital token being worth 6 times the total market value of all goods and services on the planet in a given year. To build on this idea, Shiba Inu's benefit from coin burn is largely in the rearview mirror. Even with some businesses burning a small portion of the SHIB they receive, and future events promising to reduce the circulating supply, a massive amount of coins are still in circulating supply. This makes reaching $1, or even 1 cent for that matter, pretty much impossible. Another problem Shiba Inu will run into is its lack of differentiation and competitive advantages. Although it's popular on social media, the reality is it's nothing more than an ERC20 token built on the Ethereum blockchain. Or, in English, it's just a payment coin. There's nothing particularly impressive about a payment coin. The vast majority of digital currencies can act as a payment token, which will make it difficult for SHIB to have any sort of staying power. History has also proven unkind to payment coins and protocol tokens on payment networks following life-altering gains. In previous instances where payment coins and protocol tokens gained 20,000% or more in a short time frame, these same coins went on to lose between 93% and 99% of their value in the 12 months to 26 months following their respective peaks. With SHIB rocketing higher by as much as 121 million% in under 10 months, I'd have to think a massive reversion awaits, and is already underway. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.